Does obesity affect asthma? The answer is yes, but it does so in some really interesting ways. Obesity can increase the risk of developing asthma, and it does this by increasing inflammation and impacting chest wall mechanics and doing a lot of other things. Unfortunately, childhood obesity is an epidemic in the US. 1 in 5 children are now considered obese. This has tripled since 1970, affecting more than 20% of US children. Unfortunately, the rates are even higher in certain ethnic groups. Now, sadly, obese children often become obese adults and have lifelong health challenges. Children who are obese are 30 to 50 times more likely to develop asthma compared to their peers, and nearly 1 in 4 children with asthma are considered overweight or obese. The prevalence of asthma in some areas can be twice as high in obese children compared to those with a healthy weight. Some of the mechanisms that we're going to talk about over these next few posts include how obesity can impact inflammation in the body, how obesity can impact airway mechanics, how obesity can impact our response to medication, and how obesity affects activity levels. Over these next few posts, we're going to dive into these mechanisms in more detail and wrap up at the end with some things parents and families can do to help prevent these problems.